This is a system that posts to social platforms on its own. A scheduler wakes up, picks a post, attaches the image, and ships it, with no one watching. Right now, it's just a blueprint. Over this season, we build it, every box, every trade off. Let me show you the whole machine first. If you post to a few platforms by hand, you know the tax. Reformat, re-upload, repeat, every day. It doesn't scale, and it's exactly the kind of problem one developer can automate end to end. We could buy a tool. We're building one, because the patterns inside it are the ones you'll reach for in every real system. 10 pieces. The client, your dashboard. A type chain, from the database all the way to the client so nothing drifts. Superbase, the data layer underneath. OAuth, to connect each platform. A token store, to stay connected for weeks. Row-level security, RLS, so the database itself enforces who sees what. Route handlers, the surface the outside world calls. A webhook receiver, for when platforms call back. A media pipeline, to get images in. And a scheduler, the thing that makes it run on its own. We don't build these in any order, the dependencies decide. Data first, because everything types against it. Then auth, then the tokens auth produces, then the security around them. Surface, callbacks, media. And the scheduler last, because it needs all the rest. And here's the trade, out loud. We build for one operator first, not a multi-tenant SaaS. We trade generality for shipping speed. Season 2 pays it back. 9 Wednesdays, 9 boxes. The repo's public, 1 branch per episode, so you can build it with me. Next week, we lay the spine, the type-safe data layer. Change a column, and the client won't compile until you fix it. See you Wednesday.